Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video I'll show you how to undo Force Stop app on Android quickly and easily. If you accidentally force stopped an app or want it running again, this guide will help you restart it in just a few simple steps. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android phone. This is where all system and app management options are located. Step 2. Tap on Apps or App Management. This section lists all installed apps and allows you to control their behavior. Step 3. Tap the app list. Scroll through the list and find the app you previously force stopped. This ensures you select the correct app. Step 4. Tap on the app to open its details page. Here you can view information about the app, such as storage, permissions, and status. Step 5. Tap on the Force Stop button. If the app is currently running, this temporarily stops the app's processes. Step 6. Confirm by tapping OK. This completes the Force Stop action. Step 7. Open the app again from your home screen or app drawer. This will restart the app and resume its normal operation. Step 8. The app will restart normally, undoing the effect of the Force Stop and allowing it to function as usual. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful Android tips.